Me is a Jamaican and me love soup. And today Saturday I decide to me have to drink some soup. So I go into the fridge and the only thing me see in there was piece of fish head and 2 little piece of crab.
Wow.
I then had to run to the market where me have to pick up some ground provision like my pumpkin, like my yam, my okra and my green bananas. As soon as the list was completed, me hurry up and come back home. And then me put on my pot on the fire. Me then ensure some my fish head and crab properly clean up. And spend a good little time peeling and cutting up all my ground provisions them. When everything was done, me put in my fish head and crab first, along with the pumpkin and the rest of the season, and make it boil. Me also add the cock soup, my tubs of butter, and a bit of all-purpose to make the flavor pop a little. When the soup done boil, me sit down and get a big eleba bowl. When me sit down and drink my soup. Then say before good food waste, me belly bust.